channel. And as of the title, tomorrow is Mama's birthday, which is 18th of June. And today we're gonna prepare for her birthday. I'll reveal all the surprises in the coming clips. But now I'll show you. It's around 3:30 now, and I've started the vlog too late today. But I have started it after many days. So today I've eaten my breakfast. I've done all the classes, all the 5 classes till 1:40, and now it's time for the lunch. You can see it's this aloo ka sabji, dahi, and roti has been made. So I'll eat this, and till that I'll show you what are the surprises. You can see now. These all Chachi has bought from the market. It is Mama's 36th birthday. So she has bought 36 balloons, and she has bought 36 candles, and she has bought many balloons. She has bought many, jhalars type, which is used for decorating. And she has bought one balloon, pumper, and ribbons she has bought. And she's also making a cake, which is, I'll show you. It is not made completely. It has just been creamed. I can't show you now. When it will be made properly, I'll show you then. So till then, have it as a surprise. And I have pumped a little bit balloons also. So now I'm going to eat my lunch, and I'll meet you after a short period of time, which is 40 minutes. So I'll meet you afterwards. Bye guys, for now. So guys, it's around 4:40 actually, and I'm in my Chachi's room. You can see from the background, my Chachi's room. So I'm over here for the cake cutting. We will prepare this room. I'll give you a little preview. See, this is the first room. This is the main bedroom. Okay, this is the main bedroom, and this is the dressing room. So Mama doesn't visit the dressing room. So we are gonna decorate this dressing room, and we are gonna decorate this dressing room, and we are gonna cut cake over here. And from my side, Mama is gonna have a hamper, and from Papa's side, Mama is gonna have I'll not tell you now. From my side, I'll tell you, I'm going to give a hamper. Tanvi is also going to give a hamper. She's here, pumping the balloon, you can see. So guys, now we have to decorate this room. So Chachi will also come over here, and we will do in just too much relaxation. And then study also, maths, I'll do exercises. And I'll tell you one more thing, that in the lunch, I have not eaten the aloo sabji and roti because I didn't like it. Chachi has made Ching's noodles for me, and that Ruha Afza. Many of you would know Ruha Afza. It's a sharbat type. So it's a sharbat only. So I've eaten this much. My complete stomach is full. I've eaten now only just 5 minutes ago, and now I'm here. So I'll meet you after 1 hour. I'll meet you when little bit of things would be done, like 36 balloon would be pumped down, and we would stick it. That after that time, I will meet you. And this is the jhalar also. So we'll paste this also on that dressing room wall. So I'll meet you after an hour. Bye guys. So guys, now it's around 10 o'clock. I know I'm shooting the last clip around 5.5 hours ago. But I'll tell you what I've done after that. I've decorated the Chachi's dressing room. Actually, Chachi and Tanvi have decorated the Chachi's dressing room. And I've also prepared the hamper. I'll give one photo over here. You can see it, and you can see that hamper. And Tanvi has also made the hamper. And now I'll reveal what Papa would play. No, I'll reveal at the cake cutting. So now I'm just studying. It's around 10. We will have our lunch, and my hamper is a treasure game. First, actually, at that time, you see it. At first, You see, that time at 12 o'clock we will cut the cake. Chachi has made cake for Mama. It's very beautiful. I'll show you when I'll cut the cake. So I'll meet you after 2 hours when it would be 12 and when would be cutting the cake. And I would be setting the treasure hunt for Mama. So guys, let's meet after 2 hours. Bye bye. You have seen it, and now see this small fridge. You can see it now. So on this we will have the cake cutting. The cake is also made by Chachi. I'll show you the photo. Once I go downstairs, I'll also show you the photo. And one cake is also brought by my father. That is the fruit cake. Chachi's cake looks so beautiful. I'll show you that. And now I will tell you about the treasure hunt. So first I'll give the chittu over here. Second, I don't remember correctly. Yes. Second, I'm gonna give her to bat, like the Kookaburra bat I have. Then you can see this candles also 6 and this 3. Now see it nicely. Just show you. Ruko. I'll just show you guys. Ruko 1 minute. See, this is written 36 over here. These are the candles, and I'll come back to that as a hunt. So guys, I was saying that. Moment. So just saying that. Then the second is gonna be on the bat, Kookaburra bat, and I'm gonna write the chat that when I shooted a 6 of my friend's ball and to win the match, and I told to my mother. So I've written that I've told to you. So what is that thing by that I shooted a 6? And Mama has to remember out of the 2 bat, which one is the bat, Kookaburra or SS. So then she will reach over there. Then the third hint goes the TV. See, this is the TV. I have written the clue that this is the thing which is 2 in the home, and the chit is there which is not at all used. First TV, the big one is used, but the second one, this is Chacha's room. This is not 100% not used because it has no recharge only. So when I have given this one, and then when she will reach over here, then she will have to go to the my father's room, and there one sheet is under the pillow. She has to open that. Then on that sheet then I have written that please bake me a pizza. Then she has to go to the place where microwave is there, and then when the microwave is there, then it is written that this is the second last stop. Finally you will reach a destination when you will guess and go to the place where I sleep. So I sleep at the Dadi's room. So I've kept a chip. I'll keep at the chip on the Dadi's bed, and I have kept the hamper under Dadi's bed. And I have told Mama that I have made a card. That's the big surprise. And we have also not made the celebration in Mama's room because it doesn't have a surprise. So in this room, Mama is not having anything. She's thinking that it's normally cake cutting, but we have to locate it nicely. So guys, I'll meet you after 2 hours when the cake cutting will happen. So bye for now. So guys, I'm at the kitchen. I'm speaking at very low voice because Mama is sitting. So I'm not going to talk about hampers. So I'll show you the cake. This is so good cake made by Chachi. You can see these are the Milky Bars, and this is the Milky Bar crushed. With that crusher now, you can crush it with that, and it is separated with Kit Kat all over it, and it is looking a very beautiful cake. You can see it. And finally, 36 sticker is fixed there, and now it's looking more good. I'll show you again. See, it's looking more good than without 36. So good, you can see it. I love this cake. And second one is the fruit cake. I'm not speaking now because Mama is just here. Okay, so I'm not speaking over here. I'll just show you when the cake cutting will be there. So bye for now. I'll finally now meet you after 2 hours. Bye. Now it's around 10:15 and I am at the dressing room of Chachi. We have decorated. Actually, Chachi has decorated. You can see. I will show you a minute. See. You would be seeing this opposite. This is written 36. It's Mama's 36th birthday, and you can see the photo over here. And here it is written. I'll show you from the opposite camera. 1 minute. See, it is written a very huge happy birthday over there, and you can see it's all decorated by my Chachi. Chachi? Hi. Decorated by Chachi. Write in the comment section how is it. See, balloons. It's looking very nice. This phone camera is not good, so you would not see it's nice. So guys, now it's around 11:40 and we are at Chachi's dressing room. I'm saying very low, guys, sorry for that, because you can heard here in the silence, please. She's just crying because she's sleepy type, and Mama literally she doesn't know anything about it. Literally, not anything she doesn't know. But dress, see, t-shirt and my pant. Now, cut cake. See, this is the cake. I'll just show you 1 minute. See, this is the cake. Beautiful cake now. And guys, please ignore that voice. I'm really very sorry, guys, but she is very sleepy. So I just can't believe Mama really doesn't know about anything. And see, this is Papa's surprise. See this one. This is Papa's hamper made by my Bua. What a beautiful hamper it is. It is written over happy birthday my love. Mama's photo, Papa Mama's photo, mother and father. And see what the lining is beautiful. Very nice silk. It's beautiful, Papa. What idea. I love you for that. Love you, Mama. And in just around 19 minutes, Mama's birthday is going to come. And tomorrow, as I said, I'm final as well. So, both day, good for me. So, now in 90 minutes, literally, Mama doesn't know anything. And we're going to surprise her with these decorations and gifts. And a present for her. And then we also have a dress for her. And this is Papa's beautiful present surprise for Mama. So guys, and now I'll meet you when Mama comes and I'll directly show you that what happens in the cake cutting. Bye for now. Guys, we are all here now. You can see Mama. She is a reveal. Daddy is also coming. Papa has came. Chachi is there. And Nidhi was online video calling. And Mama is Daddy is coming. And 2 cakes I've shown you. And now Daddy also came.
तनी तुम क्या कर रही हो बेटा ये यहाँ रखने के लिए
केक कटिंग would be
ये ऐसे कौन कर दिया ऐसे
तन्वी
फिर ऐसे
अपना दिमाग लगाइए
अच्छा ठीक है
So guys, now we go to the now we should go to the cake cutting time. So let's go. Cake cutting is started, guys.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. So guys, hope you liked this video and please subscribe to my channel and complete my 1,000 subscribers. And Mama was very surprised and very amazed to get 3 hampers, and I couldn't show you my one, but I'll try to show in the next vlog, and I'll try to shoot that vlog tomorrow only. So I'll meet you in the next one.